Hi, everybody. Hope all's well this week. Thought I'd give you a quick reminder of everything going on. We talked about pretty much everything this week in the lecture, so I didn't want to reiterate any remaining details. But welcome to the end of the first week of Animation Capstone. Really excited. So I posted the lecture links and everything through all the archives, where they would be located, how they could be located in Teams, in Blackboard. Went through everything, even set a lecture link as well in the announcements, so you can try and find it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know about that. I'd be happy to showcase that. If you're still having trouble finding it, let me know so that way we can fix it and go from there. But other than that, just this week's just going to be a quick reminder. So I just want to let you know I commented on some discussion posts this morning. Please remember that your initial post and your reply posts are due tonight. Also, do keep in mind that you have your written assignments due tomorrow and your live lectures as well. So make sure you turn those in. Those are pass fails, so make sure those are turned in, or else you won't be able to get credit for your attendance. So that's another thing. If you have any questions about turning that in or anything, please contact me. First week, I'm always a little bit forgiving, so just let me know about that. Contact me ahead of time if you're running any issues, okay? Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great weekend. Do keep your eye out for the lecture announcements and for the rubrics for next week. That should be Monday morning. That's pretty much it. Lecture will be Tuesday and stays on Tuesday for the remainder of the weeks, and that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, everybody. Hope everybody has a great week. I'm here if you need me. Contact me. I'll be online, and that's all I got. Have a good one. Be safe, have fun, enjoy.